Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a 10-minute Pilates workout for beginners. So join me on your mat. You're going to lie all the way down in a supine position, which means you're just lying on your back. Bend your knees, plant your feet, soften your neck and shoulders. I want you to take a nice breath in. Breathe into the sides of your ribs, and then exhale through pursed lips to release. Nice breath in. Exhale, release. I always say just let the stress go. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, release. Last one. Nice breath in. So you're breathing into the sides of your ribs, so not just up and down. And then exhale, close the rib cage, in and down. So from here, I do have a video that goes over these basics. So if you need to check that out first, by all means, you can. If you're ready, we're gonna go right into imprint and neutral. Imprint, no glutes allowed here. And neutral. We're just tilting the pelvis back, just little pelvic tilts. I feel like sometimes we can overthink these things. You're really just trying to move back and forth. If your glutes fire, it's okay, but you're trying to keep them soft here. Now I want you to come to a neutral spine. That's where your hip bones and your pubic bone are in one horizontal plane. Inhale. On the exhale, we nod the chin and we float up for a little ab prep. Hold it. Pull the navel in and lower back down. Inhale. Exhale, nod the chin. You want to pretend that orange is underneath your chin so you're not tucked. Belly pulls in. Lower back down. 1 more inhale. Exhale, curl it. Hold. And slowly bring it back down. From here, I want you to tilt the hips back, push into your hands, and we're going to roll it up. Hold, and slowly roll back down, vertebrae by vertebrae. I love this articulation of the spine. I do this every single day. If you battle back pain, this can sometimes feel really, really good. And 1 more. And roll it back down. From here, I want you to bring your hands up to the ceiling. You're going to extend back. We're not trying to go so far that we pop the ribs. We're keeping everything attached, abdominals and ribs. And we're going to extend the arms back and pull in. Nice neutral spine here. And then I'm going to scissor the arms for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the arms down by your side. I want you to just pick one knee up, tap it down, bring it back. Wow, here comes the rain. But you know what? Pilates and yoga, it's my favorite in the rain. Toe heel to the mat, other leg comes up, and we're going to tap. So it's not straight down. You're extending out, bringing it back. Extending out, bring it back. We're going to go a couple more. Good. And then from here, I want you to take one leg long. One leg is going to be straight. If this feels like too much on your body right now, you can bend the knee. All right, so from here, I just want you to flex and point. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And I want you to circle the foot. 2, you may hear some pops. 2, and 1. And then you're going to reverse it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Toe heel to the mat. And the other leg comes up. Flex and point for 5, 4, 3. Still being mindful of the upper body. And we're going to circle for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse for 5, 4. If you need to bend the knee, the leg can get tiring. 2, and 1, and then you're going to bring it down to the mat. Now from here, I just want you to lift right arm, left leg. So you see, I'm not going all the way back. I'm keeping it nice and controlled, and I'm bringing it back down and lifting, and then take it to almost like a little march. Here we go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm going to take you to bigger circles, and I will say that if you feel a crunching in your hip or that it's too tight, keep the knee bent for now. The goal is not to let the hips wiggle. So leg is going to be as straight or bent, but you've got nice stable hips. So we're going to do some circles here. 1, we're going to go 5 each direction. So my obliques are working to help me stabilize. 2, and 1, and reverse. Inhaling half the circle, exhaling half the circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to bend the knee and bring it in. Good. Now we're going to take it to the other side and begin for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. Inhaling half, exhaling half. 4, 3, 2, 1, and from here I want to take you to a bridge. So before I did some hip rolls where you were rolling through the spine. Now you're going to press into your hands and you're just going to lift straight up. You can fire the glutes here and lower. Pick it up and lower. If you can keep going like that, if you want to play with adding a little bit to it, we're going to bring one leg to table, up and down. 2, 1, and lower. Again, when we're doing these lifts with one leg off the ground, you just want to make sure you're not sinking down in the hip. So we're picking it up for 3, 2, and 1. Bring the legs in, give it a nice little squeeze. And then from here, I'm going to take you onto your bellies. So we're going to flip it over. And then I want you to just bring the hands out wide, and we're going to give it a little lift. Try to draw the shoulder blades down, and the neck stays long. So we're not cranking our necks here. And then lowering down and lifting. If you feel good here and you want to walk the elbows in, you can. Holding and breathing. And then if you want even more extension, which for most people it does take time to achieve, you can take it up. Oh, this feels amazing. And down. We're going to go for 2 more like this. Inhaling and exhaling. Last one. And I want you to push back and round your spine. This is a shell stretch, so you want to scoop in the abdominals, push back, different from child's pose, and you're just rounding. And then you're going to slowly roll it up. We're going to finish with a quick little side stretch. So today I want you to have the knees out, feet are to the side of you, and then you're just going to lift out with the opposite arm, and we're going to come over for a nice little stretch. If you're not comfortable being seated like this on the floor, you can always do this from a chair. So I like for my cervical spine to follow my thoracic. So when I come over, I'm not crunching my neck. And back. We're going to switch the sides. Feet come to the other side. Inhale and exhale. I don't think I have one single client, maybe one, who doesn't like a side stretch. And really and truly, he needs it. I just sold him out, but I won't tell you his name. And over. And bring it back. Thank you so much for joining me today. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you like this, what else you want to see. I'm going to be bringing you more great workouts, so make sure you subscribe to my channel.